Guys, just getting back in from J&M Sneakers. But what's good, YouTube? It's your man, Thesonofsomeman.
Who's my son? Who's my son? Who's my son? Who's my...
And we are back with another video. What's up, guys? What's going on? How is everyone doing? I hope you guys are all well. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. But if you are brand new, please do me a favor. Feel free to hit that subscribe button down below as we try to drop sneaker content on the daily. Try to do it consistently every day. Anyway, guys, today we're going to be taking a look at an Air Jordan that has a little controversy behind it. From the thumbnail, you guys obviously know exactly which sneaker I'm talking about, and we're going to get into the details. But first, here you have it, guys. The Air Jordan 9 Olive Concord. I don't know why they didn't go with the original and they wanted to mix it up and do something different, but this is what they did, and I'm mad at them. I'm very mad at them. I would have loved the original. Also, too, this shoe actually has not released over here on this side of the planet. It's actually released only overseas, and watching a few videos, I kind of seen why really quick, because supposedly, man, these are like some type of B grade Jordan. You know what? Instead of, me telling you, let me show you guys. I know we're supposed to be reviewing the shoe, but we're gonna dive into this really quick, really fast. Take a look at this, guys. Now, if you look at it really quick, you really can't see it. But if you look at it, you can see that the 23, as well as the Jumpman with the globe, is actually leaning to the opposite side. It's leaning more this way. Let me see which one it is. It's this one right here. You can see it. If you just look at it, I'll show you guys some up close too, but that's one of the problems. The material is not the best. But anyway, guys, we're gonna take a look at the sneaker all around. Overall, we are always going to start off on the bottom as we usually do. So here you have it, your standard typical Air Jordan 9 outsole. As you know, this is all, it's got all different languages, all different meanings. You got the Jumpman with the 23 over there embossed, into the outsole itself. Really dope. With that Concord purple Jordan 9 outsole. Also, you got that little hit of Concord purple with the Jumpman right there. Moving up, they went for the olive. The nubuck is really not so crazy, really not the best. Moving up towards the toe of the shoe, the material, it doesn't even feel like leather. It feels more of a plastic. And if we're paying $200+ for this shoe, man, like, I believe we should really be, getting something that we're paying for. You know what I mean? But anyway, moving up, your standard Jordan, nylon tongue. Then you got your rope laces. Your eyelets are actually made of plastic too, kind of a hard plastic. Moving up to the top of the tongue, as you can see, it says Air Jordan and Concord purple. All right, taking a look at the back of the shoe, as I mentioned before, you got the 23 in Concord purple, and it's also in that Charlotte Hornet blue. That's the kind of vibes I was getting from this, you know what I mean? Pull tab is also a purple, Concord purple. As for the guts of the shoe, basically standard materials, nylon insides, just like your standard typical Jordan 9. As for sizing, guys, I would go a half size up. I've always had trouble with the Jordan 9. I actually have the playoffs, and they're a size 11 and a half, I believe, and they're still a little snug on me. So If I was you, I'd go a half size up. But guys, here we go, taking a look at the inside of the shoe. Basically, what's going on in the inside is going on in the outside. Nothing really special about this sneaker, except for the controversy behind it. You know what I mean? Is it going to release this stateside? I believe it was supposed to be released on January 7th with the olive Air Jordan 7. If you haven't seen that, you can click the link at the top of the screen to check out that review. I dropped that review a couple days ago. But yeah, guys, let me know down in the comment section what you guys think of the Air Jordan 9 Olive Concord, or whatever you want to call it. But let me know if you're going to be picking this pair up. I got this pair from J&M Sneakers, so make sure you check them out. Their links will be in the description, as well as my Instagram, my TikTok, all my good stuff, all the platforms that I'm on. Links are in the description. Make sure you check us out, man. But thank you guys so much for tuning in. I truly appreciate you guys from the bottom of my heart. But until next time, it's your man, the son of some man, and we're out, guys. Peace.